Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electrical Decodes. In this video, we are going to discuss about standby generator. We are going to discuss about 5 things in this video. First thing is what is standby generator and when it will work. And third thing is what is ATS panel and how ATS panel will work and why we need standby generator. These 5 things we are going to discuss about in this video. So in the first slide, we are going to see about what is the standby generator. Standby generator is a normal diesel generator. Normal diesel generator used to feed electrical system when main power is failure. When main power is failure. Listen. The standby generator is a normal generator, diesel generator. Normal diesel generator used to feed electrical system when the main power is failure. It means in your power system, in your building, if due to any cases, your LV panel ACP is tripped. So that time, this standby generator will make it on. It will get on. After that, it will feed at least minimum power to the emergency load. For this purpose only, we are going to use this standby generator. Okay. So after that, the capacity of the generator, then we will have another question: how much capacity it will be? The capacity of the generator will be based on the connected emergency load. If your connected emergency load is more, the capacity of the standby generator will increase, and this will be operate through ATS panel. So in the standby generator, ATS panel is very important thing. We are going to see in the next slide that ATS panel listens. ATS stands for automatic transfer switch, and it automatically changes the power source from normal to generator. Okay. As I told you before, if anything happen in your power system, if your LV panel is tripped, so that time what will happen? It automatically change the power source from normal to normal. That is your transformer feeding from LV panel feeding to generator feeding, generator source. It will transfer the normal feeding to generator source. So it must be interlocked by mechanically and electrically. This interlocking system, what is interlocking system? We are going to see in the next slide. So working of ATS panel, how ATS panel is working. In this video, we are going to see about this. Sorry, in this slide. So from the transformer, we are getting power for this LV panel in the normal case. This is a normal source. The transformer is a normal source. It is normally feeding power to the LV panel. From the LV panel bus bar, we have so many outgoings for normal loads, and we have outgoing for the emergency load as well. Okay. This emergency load cable is directly connected to the one of the point of automatic transfer switch that is called ATS panel. Okay. From this point, we are feeding to the emergency loads. That is called in our SLD single line diagram. We will mention maybe ESMDB or EDB or EMDB like this. Okay. The automatic transfer panel, this one, automatic transfer switch panel, we have 3 points. One input from this LV panel, another input from the emergency source, that is a standby generator, and one outgoing for this loads. In normal case, from this LV panel, ATS power, this point will get power and it will feed to the emergency load. Okay. Due to some error, due to something happened in your LV panel, this ACB is tripped. For example, this ACB is tripped. Now what happened? Total your power system, total your building not have power. So this all normal outgoings also, normal load also, they don't have power, and this emergency load also, they don't have power. This case, it will sense this one, how the transfer switch is working. This is a concept now. So this automatic transfer switch, what will do? It have one controller, inbuilt controller it have. From this controller, it will send signal to this generator. So after this generator gets signal, generator will get on. So after getting on, what will happen? It will send again signal to this automatic transfer switch. When it will send signal, this generator will reach the maximum RPM, it rated RPM. Then it will send signal to this control switch. Sorry, this one transfer switch. This transfer switch will automatically change this connection. This connection from here to here, it will automatically shift. So this is called automatic transfer switch. So that time what will happen, from this standby generator, we will get power from this point to here directly, and our emergency load will get power. Okay, so this is the operation of the ATS panel. And if you are an electrical engineer, in your interview question, if you are going for the interview, 100% they will ask this, how ATS panel will work and ATS panel interlocking system. Okay, another thing, now I am going to explain the interlock thing. Last video I tell you that this ATS panel is mechanically and electrically interlocked. It means it can be either connected from one side only, it cannot be connected both sides. So it will be connected either this emergency or normal side. This is called interlocking. It can be shift all these four. Here we show here only one line for the simplification, but here we have in the actual ATS panel we have more, 4 pole or 2 pole. If it is 3 phase, it is will be 4 pole. If it is single phase, we have 2 pole. All 4 pole will directly connect to this point, then only we will get power for this emergency loads. Okay, after that we need to know about what is emergency load. Now all these things we are, why we are we have a ATS panel, we have a standby generator, all these things to feed, to get electrified this emergency loads. That now we have to understand what are the emergency loads. The emergency load in a residential building is service rooms and fire pumps and pumps, lifts, staircase, corridor. These are the areas we are considered as a emergency load. Okay, this is for the normal building. In case of hospitals, operation theaters, laboratories, and cold rooms, these are the major consideration of emergency load, because operation theater always we need power full time, because if any sensitive operation is going on, we cannot interrupt the power for that. So we need to consider, if somebody is asking, you are in interviewer asking what are the major emergency load, if they ask this question, you should answer like this. If it is a residential building, service rooms, pumps, lift, staircase, corridor, like this areas we are considered as a emergency load. In case of hospital, operation theater, lab, and cold rooms are the emergency load. I hope you get good knowledge about standby generator and working principle of that. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.